very serious. Give a smiling face. Once again, smiling face, please. Because by seeing you, I feel happy to deliver my talk. The previous topic was a little bit serious, so all of you are very serious now. आदरणीय डॉक्टर अनंत बिरादार जी, डॉक्टर प्रवीण सूरी जी, डॉक्टर विनोद कश्यप जी, डॉक्टर शलीला तिवारी जी, मिस्टर राजीव अग्रवाल जी, and other dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. आज बहुत ही बड़ा दिन है. क्यों बड़ा दिन है? मुझे पहली बार हिंदी में मेरे लेक्चर डिलीवर कर रहा हूँ. आपका बुरा दिन है क्योंकि आप सुनना है. मैं बेंगलुरु वाला हूँ, मदर टंग कन्नड़ा है. मेरे प्रेसिडेंट जी बोले कि अनंत बिरादार जी ने हिंदी में डिलीवर करने के लिए. सो मैं अभी क्या करता हूँ, हिंदी और इंग्लिश मिक्स करके मैं डिलीवर कर देता हूँ. ओके, रेडी? इंग्लिश आई विल डिलीवर बोथ. इंग्लिश मीन्स आई विल बी द हैप्पीएस्ट पर्सन. कन्नड़ बरुत्ता? ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ. ओके, सुबह योगा कैसी थी आपका? बहुत खुश हुआ आप लोगों को देख के. क्यों खुशी हुआ? बहुत खुशी थी. योगा करने के बाद सेल्फी लेने के लिए गए गुरु जी के पास. बहुत खुशी थे आप लोग. क्यों खुशी थे? नहीं, मैं बाद में रिसर्च किया आप सभी लोग क्यों खुशी थे. क्योंकि उन्होंने बोला 10 मिनट में आप योग कर सकते हैं. तो आपने सोच लिया 10 मिनट में आप योगी बन चुके हैं. आज के बिजी शेड्यूल में आप सीखने के बाद में चैलेंज करते हो 10 मिनट में नहीं निकाल सकते हम. कैसा ना?
Yes.
But we should appreciate the way he presented. So you liked because you wanted the thing which is very simple. Yes or no? You like this yoga because you wanted the things which is very simple to you. अभी मेरा विषय है SWOT एनालिसिस. कि क्या है कि S होता है स्ट्रेंथ, W वीकनेस. ये दोनों भी इंटरनल का, आयोनों का इंटरनल और नेचुरोपैथिक इंटरनल का विषय है. और वो होता है अपॉर्चुनिटी और T होता है थ्रेट. वो एक्सटर्नल सोर्स है. आयोनो और नेचुरोपैथिक का एक्सटर्नल सोर्स में क्या है? ये विषय गंभीर है. बिफोर डिलीवरिंग दिस टॉक, I want to know what you want from this session. The next 1 hour session, what I am delivering. Forget about INO, forget about naturopathy, forget about SWOT analysis. What you want in person, tell me. What is that you need in person? बोल सकते क्या चाहिए आपको? क्या चाहिए? सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट चाहिए. वेरी गुड, सुपर, राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज. और क्या चाहिए? नो मेडिसिन. ओके, और
अच्छा स्वास्थ्य,
हेल्थ, और
कॉन्फिडेंस,
और कॉन्फिडेंस. गुड,
सुकुमार बुढ़ापा.
वेरी गुड. देन और क्या? ना सुपर बुढ़ापा. समझ गए.
सुपर बुढ़ापा.
मैं क्यों रिपीट नहीं किया? बिकॉज हिंदी थोड़ा गड़बड़ है. मैं समझ गया. बोलिए, और क्या चाहिए? परम आनंद.
निरंतर प्रकृति का सानिध्य मिलता रहे.
वेरी गुड. और क्या चाहिए? क्या पा सकते हैं? क्या चाहिए? वेरी गुड.
सोशल रिलेशन को बढ़ाना.
So end of the day, you need happiness. If you want happiness, you need money. One, I'll tell you. Very important health is required. Yes or no?
Yes.
Health, money, and
Respect.
prosperity. All these three is required. So now what I am going to do is, in this SWOT analysis, I will combine this and I am going to explain to you. Okay? Are you ready? I am going to reveal very, very powerful tools, because in the previous session, one of the speakers told about the secret, right? It is one of the leading book which has been sold entire world. But today I am going to reveal the secret which is revealed in our Veda and Upanishad. So that, if you want, means you have to focus totally here. So here, in the SWOT analysis, the first we focus on the strength. You can take down strength. Pehla Vishaya, Surya Foundation started the INO movement in the year 2003. Am I right, sir? In the year 2003, under the leadership of Shri Jai Prakash Agarwal ji. This is the major platform strength for naturopathy. This is, everyone knows about the history. Second, it is backed and supported by the Surya Group. So whatever the expenses is happening and whatever the projects they are doing, for that they require money and manpower and other infrastructure activities, that is supported by the Surya Group. This is second strength which we are having. The third thing is dedicated, devoted leader, our Dr. Anand Biradar. He is available 24/7, because whenever there is a thing which I want to discuss with him, he will be available free of time after 12 o'clock. And we discuss up to 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. So that is the very, very important thing. So we are having one dedicated and devoted leader. The next strength comes is the team, which is led by Mr. Vinod Kashyap ji. They are very, very supportive with lot of patience और perseverance. उनको बहुत patience और perseverance से वो team support है. विनोद कश्यप जी lead कर रहे हैं आपको INO का. और एक विषय मैं बताना चाहता हूँ. लास्ट टाइम विजिट किया था, आयुष मिनिस्टर में मीटिंग था, चेयर बाय द आयुष मिनिस्टर. इन दैट मीटिंग आयुष मिनिस्टर उपस्थित थे और सभी लोग थे. आयुष मिनिस्टर फोन लगा रहे थे अनंत बिरादर जी को और सभी वेट कर रहे हैं अनंत बिरादर जी को, इंक्लूडिंग आयुष मिनिस्टर. That is, and he is not picking the phone. That is the strength which we are having because of the rapport which they are having on the Ayush ministry. This is one more very, very important strength. Today, INO is playing a very important role in the policy matters related to Ayush and naturopathy. They are playing a very, very important roles, and they are the key persons who are in the regarding the policy matters. Our very, very important strength is INO is having dedicated, loyal, trustworthy team, all of you, spread across the globe. This is one more strength which we are having. These are the 7 strengths which the INO is having. Am I right, sir? Now comes the important point. अभी इसके बारे में स्ट्रेस करता हूँ, वीकनेस के बारे में. सर ओपन में बात कर सकते हो ना? तो पहला वीकनेस है आज का. रिसेंटली शिवरात्रि हुआ, सदगुरु का बहुत पब्लिसिटी हुआ, मार्केटिंग हुआ. आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग में लाखों से लोग थे. उतना भीड़ क्यों रहता है उधर? What is the secret behind that organization? It may be ISKCON or Sadguru or Art of Living, whatever it may be. What is the secret behind that? What is their strength? इधर भी सेम वातावरण है. और क्या है? सीक्रेट क्या है?
Unity and dedication of others.
Okay, good.
Publicity.
Okay.
Higher education. Daily basis पे interact करते हैं और weekly या Sunday का monthly workshop fees daily monthly basis पे करते रहते हैं. Local areas.
Good, good. So here, the main secret of this kind of organization, whatever of any organization related to spiritual, is the power of love. everyone will be going seeking for the love in that place, and they feel that love which is available in trend. Yes or no?
Yes.
So that has to be created in INO. So that love has to be created. I know how it has to be created. Small things will make lot of changes. Here, you don't know who I am, and I don't know all of you who you are. That connection, how it will happen. If you have the data of your birthday, and if you receive a greeting from Parent Anand Birajarji or from INO head office, wishes for your birthday, what will happen? Every festival, if you receive any wishes, what will happen? And if regular information about the INO activities, if we have direct contact with, that love and affection will be sprouted, a sprout or giant. So here what is happening is, lot of activities is going on in INO, but the simple things that has to be implemented. There is one more weakness which I am pointing out, and it has to be converted. And here the INO head office is doing tremendous job, but it has to be strengthened with more manpower, I feel. It has to be strengthened with more manpower. The reason is, whenever there is any activity, they will be doing their best, but in time everything is not happening because of lot of pressure. Yes or no? आप अग्री कर रहे हैं नहीं? ये घर की बात है, तो इससे ओपन से बात कर रहा हूँ। और इधर मैं इंटरेक्ट करता है, आई विल बी इंटरेक्टिंग विद मेनी ऑफ द INO मेंबर्स। वो उनको क्या चाहिए, one to one I'll be interacting. They need a security, a support system. What kind of security and support system? They need a guidelines how to run the show authentically. One example I'm going to give you. Recently, there was a raid from the KVP board by the registrar. The person is an authentic naturopathy practitioner. I know him personally. Unfortunately, due to some mistake, there was some problem with the patient, and he had given a complaint. In the board, what he had mentioned is treatment given for cancer, BP, sugar, XYZ. But he is not a qualified doctor, and the patient was in trouble. He immediately called me. There is a raid, what to do? I told, you take down the board. Under the treatment you mention lifestyle management. Under the treatment you mention, because there is the advocate also, lifestyle management. You have the power to tell what to take, what not to take naturally, but we don't have the power to treat the diseases. This kind of legal support system has to be provided for the members of INO. At the same time, so it's a submission, the members need a security system related to the financial matter also. It may be insurance, or it may be loan facility. This kind of support is required from the INO. They ask me. So this has to be taken as a weakness which we have to provide. Now, आप सभी के लोगों का प्रैक्टिस कैसे चल रहा है नेचुरोपैथी में? How is the practice is going on? How many of you are practicing? कैसे चल रहा है प्रैक्टिस आप लोगों का? Very good. All of you are doing very good. You want to be in that stage or you want to go to the next level? So next level जाने के लिए हमको एक मार्केटिंग और पब्लिसिटी और एडवर्टाइजिंग का सपोर्ट चाहिए. If INO focuses more on supporting individuals for developing their individual organization, then the level will go to the next level. That has to be also be noted. Here, these are some of the weaknesses which we can gauge from the minds of the INO members. अभी opportunity क्या है? Let us see the opportunity which is available. Who is the father of naturopathy? Who is the father of naturopathy? We consider Mahatma Gandhi ji as the father of naturopathy. Indians consider. With the face value of naturopathy of Mahatma Gandhi ji, we can market our individual organizations with the face value of Mahatma Gandhi ji. And luckily, the present government is supporting completely related to naturopathy, and with the face value of Narendra Modi ji, we can market individually of our organizations about naturopathy. अभी हमारा मेजर स्ट्रेंथ क्या है कि भारत का पॉपुलेशन, ये हमारा मेजर स्ट्रेंथ है. अभी तक हम घर घर को टच नहीं किया है. आइयो, अभी तक एक एक घर को टच नहीं किया है. ये बहुत बड़ा अपॉर्चुनिटी है. हम एक क्लिनिक ओपन करके या सेंटर ओपन करके भेजते हैं और वी वांट somebody to come inside, but how to approach each and everyone, that has to be focused because of the population. It's a greatest opportunity. And India is considered as yoga and naturopathy guru. India is considered as yoga and naturopathy guru, and we are having the opportunity because we are all Indians. And today, through social media, you can market globally. आप इडी वर्ल्ड को मार्केटिंग कर सकते हैं using the social media. And I request the INO website has to give a link to individual organizations to market their organization through INO, because that website will be viewed by everyone. This is one more opportunity which has to happen. और इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, आप INO के इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी हाउ टू एनकैश, इट्स वन ऑफ द मेजर अपॉर्चुनिटी. अभी दीदी के साथ मैं बात कर रहा था, मैंने पूछा अभी नया वायरस आया ना, क्या है ट्रीटमेंट. तो दीदी ने मुझको उस प्रश्न का उत्तर दिया, परंतु INO वेबसाइट को वो उत्तर ये क्या नहीं है. Is answer is available in the INO website or not?
No.
Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Answer is available. Have you seen the website?
Yes. कोरोना वायरस का
कोरोना वायरस का कोई सोल्यूशन है हमारे वेबसाइट में?
No.
दीदी का एक वीडियो आया, मेरा रोटरी क्लब का एक मेरा फ्रेंड है, वो प्रेसिडेंट है, उन्होंने मुझे वो भेज कर बोला बहुत अच्छा वीडियो देखो पानी के बारे में. मैंने प्राउड से बोला दीदी मुझको बहुत अच्छी से मालूम है. So interesting. So it was forwarded by everyone because the video was so informative. But on the background, if we had mentioned INO, the marketing would have happened. My request is, in the INO website, we have to mention the latest need related to naturopathy. What is happening? Instead of we are mentioning this function happened, that function happens, what is required? Each and every public has to see the website of INO. That's the greatest opportunity which we are having. We have to encash it. And in this website, if permitted, I'm telling you on behalf of you, as your voice, आप समझ रहे हैं ना? कोई सेंटर है आपका? आपका सेंटर का नाम क्या है? श्री महेंद्र प्रताप सिंह प्राकृतिक चिकित्सालय. इसका एक वेब पेज आया तो INO में, कौन सा जगह है आपका? मेरी जगह में INO का इनका वेब पेज आया तो इनको बेनिफिट होगा कि नहीं बेनिफिट होगा?
यस होगा सर,
प्रमोशन होगा कि नहीं होगा?
100%।
वो हुआ तो वेबसाइट को मैक्सिमम इंगेज करेगा। अभी ये और इनका कस्टमर को वेबसाइट देखने को बोलेंगे या नहीं बोलेंगे? क्यों बोलेंगे? ए मेरा वेबसाइट देखा INO का, मेरा वेब पेज है उधर, वो बोलेंगे। तो क्या हुआ? विन विन हुआ। आपको भी बिजनेस ज्यादा हुआ और INO का प्रमोशन हुआ, तो विन विन पॉलिसी हुआ तो इकोनॉमिकल डेवलपमेंट विल हैपन। यस और नो? So that has to happen. And every month from the INO head office, they have to appoint a committee where they have to go to each and every place. It may be Delhi, Haryana, or Meerut, or Pune, Karnataka, whatever it may be. On behalf of you, they have to conduct these seminars. They have to educate. They have to do marketing. But later on, they will be your customers. For example, in Meerut, from INO, a team goes and if they promote, he will take the initiative of gathering the people. Yes or no? And after doing and educating INO, the people where they will go for the treatment, they have to go to, they cannot come to head office, and there is no facility available also. So this is one more opportunity which is available because we are having tremendous network है, हमारे पास बहुत बड़ा network है, ये एक opportunity है। चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स का मैं वाइस प्रेसिडेंट हूँ। उस चेंबर में सभी लोग मेंबर हैं, इन्फोसिस, विप्रो, बहुत लोग मेंबर हैं। इन मेंबरों का एक प्रश्न है, योगा और नेचुरोपैथी बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है देश में, परंतु ऑथेंटिक ट्रेनर्स नहीं है। उनका जगह में ट्रेनर्स चाहिए और एक यूनिट चाहिए योगा और नेचुरोपैथी का। वो जगह प्रोवाइड करेंगे और सभी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर देने का तैयार है, परंतु ऑथेंटिक प्रैक्टिशनर्स आर नॉट अवेलेबल। If INO takes the initiative, we can enter into the corporate because of the banner of INO. Is it possible or not?
Yes.
With the banner of INO it is possible, but individually it is not possible. For example, XY Yoga and Naturopathy organization, if you go miss, they are not entertained. But in the banner of INO, it is possible. If that is done, then it will be great benefit for the INO members. आप मेरे बात समझ रहे हैं? अग्री ना? और एक ग्रीवियंस सेल चाहिए हमारा INO में है। एक ग्रीवियंस सेल, क्या ग्रीवियंस सेल है? कोई भी प्रश्न हुआ तो, कोई भी समस्या हुआ तो, इट में बी रिलेटेड टू मैनेजमेंट, मार्केटिंग, लॉ, नेचुरोपैथी, ट्रीटमेंट। इफ द कॉल इज देयर शुड बी इंटेलेक्चुअल माइंड्स, दीदी जैसे इंटेलेक्चुअल माइंड्स कैन सपोर्ट द मेंबर्स ऑफ INO। चाहिए नहीं चाहिए? सो ये भी एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है, INO से आपको नेचुरोपैथी मिल सकता है। अभी थ्रेट में क्या है? एक्सटर्नल थ्रेट क्या है फॉर नेचुरोपैथी एंड INO? आई फोकस ऑन नेचुरोपैथी। क्या थ्रेट है? थ्रेट क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में? समस्या, फंड अरेंजमेंट्स। ओके, देन व्हाट इज द मेन थ्रेट? Authentic legal doctors, officially qualified doctors, they are the threat. Okay, second. Then registration is not there. Third, then अभी बोलो, मार्केटिंग और अवेयरनेस अभी बोला, अपॉर्चुनिटी है, वो टाइप किया तो हो जाएगा। हाँ, थैंक यू।
फाइव डॉक्टर्स हैं, उनका एक सेमिनार करा के एक दूसरे का म्यूचुअल जो
आपको नहीं अलाउ करेंगे, हाल पे डॉक्टर आपको कुछ नहीं करेंगे। कैसा ना?
Yes.
लेट अस बी वेरी प्रैक्टिकल। हमारा मेजर थ्रेट हमी है. We are the major threat for our yoga and naturopathy. Let us be very open. I am also one of your member. The moment we gain some knowledge related to yoga and naturopathy, our lifestyle will change. The ego will come. I am telling you very open. Accept it or not? Do you accept or not? So here we are our own threat. If we change our mindset, wonders will happen. Based on the experience of not everyone. अभी क्या हुआ है कि थोड़ा नॉलेज यूट्यूब में लेंगे और ऑनलाइन कोर्स और सर्टिफिकेट करेंगे. करने के बाद they will become the member of ILO and it will be misused. The misuse of ILO is a threat for everyone. Yes or no? The certificate they will be doing for something and we say that we are from ILO. Lack of knowledge, lack of experience is also a major threat which we have to protect ourselves by seeing who is correct and who is not correct in this field, who is practicing. और अभी आपने बोला क्वालिफाइड और अनक्वालिफाइड में legally, because here an advocate is there from Supreme Court and as well as High Court, he is the right person. With my knowledge, I have done my LLB and a little bit I am practicing. I tell you, whenever you are practicing, I will be very open. Whenever you are practicing, don't collect fees. आप fees collect किए तो problem है. Donation दिए तो no problem. Legally, that's why I sign. अभी मैं आपका नाम प्रीति के यहाँ मैं जाकर ट्रीटमेंट लेता हूँ. She can ask donation, so fees only. I'll pay the donation, legally no issues. One point. Second point, never ever mention that you are going to give treatment for the diseases. Never ever mention that you are going to give treatment for diseases. It may be in the writing or publicity, but you can educate about naturopathy and lifestyle. By doing that, your immune system will be enhanced, you will be free from the disease. That you can do it. Am I right, sir? That can be done. So legally, it will be safe for that. Got it? Any question?
Few of the members, they may have this is the only earning source. So many a times they have to produce RT returns. For that they need to show some of the earnings.
If they want, have to.
Donation.
No problem. If they want to show the IP returns, they can show from any other sources as a consultant, any other sources, not from this source. You have to play safely in the law of the land. Clear? Yep.
If you will write that the lifestyle and naturopath, then patient will not be affected, and the earning of the definitely unit will come, and there will be problem of life.
But I'll tell you one thing. The best advertisement is word of mouth. आपका पेशेंट या क्लाइंट को आप अच्छी तरह से देखते हैं और उनको क्योर हुआ तो वो थ्रू वर्ड ऑफ माउथ ही आएगा, एडवर्टाइजमेंट से नहीं आएगा. Agreed or not? So that has to be done. For that purpose only, INO has to focus on giving training related to this to the members. How to capture the market, how to do marketing, business development and advertisement and publicity also. If this has to be done, it has to be done from INO. It is one more plus point. And sir, this is for you, sir. It's very painful. The policy makers who are sitting in the high position, they represent the organization. They represent their own organization and the policies will be customized to their organization. This is happening, sir. Because I am seeing very painful thing. For example, Mr. XY, in the morning you conducted the yoga from Ekam. I don't know about his qualification. There are so many authentic yoga practitioners who are doing from more than 50 years. but they cannot be called as qualified. But if a person does a course in that particular organization only, if they are qualified. If they do the same course, still with more knowledge from other institutes, they are not qualified. These policy makers who are sitting on the center are misusing their power. This has to be checked by the Mr. Anand Biradarji and INO team. Too much of misuse is happening. And now the major war is between the qualified and unqualified doctors. आपको एक बात बताना चाहता हूँ, हमारा देश में अपॉर्चुनिटी पे टाइम में बोला था, पॉपुलेशन बहुत है. Never compete with a qualified doctor. You compete with your competency. आपका नॉलेज पे कॉम्पीट कीजिए, क्वालिफाइड डॉक्टर से आप कॉम्पीट मत कीजिए, बिकॉज इफ ही गिव्स ए कंप्लेंट देयर इज ए लीगली वैल्यू इज देयर एंड वी आर इन ट्रबल. This has to be taken care and try to be having good relationship with the qualified doctor. This has to be managed. You have to have a good relationship with the qualified doctor. और एक सबमिशन है, ऑनलाइन ट्रेनिंग हुआ तो बहुत अच्छा होगा थ्रू INO वेबसाइट. क्योंकि अनंत बिरादार जी ने मुझको ये प्लेटफॉर्म दिया और ज्यादा उनको मैं काम दे रहा हूँ अभी. If online training is provided from INO, the time will be saved for you for traveling. And whenever you are free at that time, you can, by utilizing your smartphone, you can learn the knowledge whatever is there. DDGA और इंटेलेक्चुअल माइंड से एक कोर टीम बना के आप we have to conduct the courses through online from INO website. This one more request. Friends, any weakness, any threat from your end, any strength, opportunity?
Many times when we approach to the school or corporate, at times some letter is required. Letter from either from ministry or from INO office. Because many times we go on our request. They are not knowing what we are going to take. So that is a threat we are facing.
It is not a threat, it's an opportunity right now.
How we can cash opportunity in government sector?
Sir,
They are not allowed.
I'll tell you one thing. It is your individual problem. You are unable to encash Mr. Anand Biradar ji and INO. आप encash करना चाहिए. You can go through INO by taking the permission from Anand Biradar ji, and you can approach the local government with the what are the permission that he can provide to the central government, which he can do, because if you he can provide from the central government whatever is required. Through that letter and through INO official letter, you can go to the local government, local officials, and you can enter to the schools with authority. But if you go individually, that will not happen. We have to encash and we have to squeeze the power right now which is available with the present government, with the Ayush Ministry and Mr. Anand Biradar. Anything you want to?
Even in state government also?
You can, when the center is telling you to do something, you have to, they have to, no other option.
Sir, basically लोग lectures अलग-अलग बुलाते हैं, जैसे कभी डॉक्टर रहते हैं, उनको ना पूरा एक दिन का हमारा ऐसा होना चाहिए कम से कम कुछ बिजनेस कवर हो जाए. अभी होता क्या आधा या पौना घंटे के लिए होता है, तो अगर ऑनलाइन आ जाएगा वो सारा मैटर तो बहुत बेटर रहेगा. उससे क्या होगा कि पर्टिकुलर हम और डीपली जा पाएंगे, डिजीज को जान पाएंगे, और चीज़ों को जान पाएंगे.
मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है, टीवी का वो वीडियो हो तो फॉरवर्ड करना चाहिए इन लोगों को. Beautifully explained. There are so many intellectual minds which is there with Anand Biradar team. Each each and everyone, you can educate and they will become more powerful. And you will be an asset to the society. That has to be done through online through website. It's a good thing. Then, okay.
Reimbursement is available. But the problem is they don't know how to pass the bills because in allopathy, so every system there is a amount is considered. Operation is the problem. Charges like this. They prepare one schedule or menu card like for this system. Fasting this much is there. So it's very easy to pass the bill. That is why so many bills are pending and no one is taking care of that.
Which is the bank, sir?
State Bank.
Who was the person behind this to make it a reimbursement?
So what they do?
No, which from SBI? Who was the person? In the history, the first time reimbursement was done from SBM and SBI by myself, Arish, when I represent SBI. I brought that from the bank SBI and SBM when I was in SBI. Reimbursement for yoga and naturopathy and Ayurveda. That was passed. It's available. That was passed by me under my leadership. How to encash this is the place where ILO can play the role. Grievance. No. They can tell how to do it legally. Now, for example, the lawyer is there. They are having a team. This question you are putting in front of them, they have to provide the solution. That is the grievance which is required. Very, very valid point. Same thing, sir. This has been entered into the corporate also. It is available. But we have to encash it. Yes. Facility is there, but they don't know how to encash it. So here the official type with the hospital is also required. If official type is there, then only you get. Dharmasthala is there, Yasvasa is there, I don't know in any other. Jindal is there. We can do it. Anything you want to ask? Any other threat or opportunity? Anything you are having, you are facing? बोलिए।
आजकल 150 साल गांधी जी के चल रहे हैं, तो मैं गांधी बना भी था इंडिया गेट पे, शायद आपने देखा हो। तो गांधी बन के INO को किसी बड़ी न्यूज़पेपर में भी प्रमोट किया था। अगर कॉर्पोरेट में 150 में एक दिन भी मैं जाता हूँ तो उसका इफेक्ट पड़ता है। अगर पड़ता है तो मैं सेवा करने को
मैं अभी बोल रहा था फर्स्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी अवेलेबल महात्मा गांधी जी और नरेंद्र मोदी जी का हाईजैक वी हैव टू डू। कौन हाईजैक कर सकते हैं? ILO आप नेचुरोपैथी हम हाईजैक कर सकते हैं। whose property Mahatma Gandhi belongs to us. We have to encash. You are running your this one naturopathy. Put it for the who is going to object. You have to utilize and you have to encash. Sir, is there this kind of things? It has to be done from your end. Sir is to encash. Okay. Anything else? Okay. Now. In the previous session, there was a topic on the secret. It's an extraordinarily powerful topic. And many of them have been benefited in this. But, my dear brothers and sisters, very painful, we are going to utilize this from the Western side. The book which is coming from the Western side, we are utilizing it. The real yoga and naturopathy will work, I'm telling you. You as a practitioner, it will work by not having the knowledge of yoga and naturopathy. In addition, how much stuff you are going to do by doing japa, by doing meditation, by your art, if you clean means, the disease will be cleaned of the patients. That is the reason in our culture the japa is mentioned. The moment to do the japa of Shiva, or Rama, that quality will be stored in our each and every cell. That is the law of attraction which has been explained. The moment you become pure, when you are charged, automatically the good thing should attract you. For example, सबके साथ मोबाइल है, you can use all the facilities. It may be WhatsApp or chatting, whatever it may be. But morning, if you have forgotten to charge the mobile, will it work? वो नहीं work होगा. So the moment you charge, you can utilize to the maximum extent. In the same way, if your profession has to be developed, daily you have to do meditation and japa. After doing that, after charging, whatever the work you are doing, the result is guaranteed. This is law of attraction. By just giving instruction that I want this, it will be not attracted. It will be attracted the moment you become the power as a magnet to attract everything. To become the powerful magnet, you should have only positive thoughts. The positive thoughts will come because only one thought can stay in the mind. There will be no two thoughts. सिर्फ एक ही thought रह सकता है, दो thought नहीं आएगा. उस एक ही thought को जब करे तो positive ही रहेगा. The moment it is positive, automatically the positive is going to attract. And one of the major discovery is by a scientist called as Cleve. You can go to the Google and you can type Cleve as a scientist. The greatest discovery is each and every plant can listen, see, feel, everything. All the feelings is available within every plant. That has been scientifically proven. That experiment is available if you go to the YouTube. Two plants, दो plant लिया, plant A और plant B, और 5 लोगों को एक स्लिप दिया. उसी इंस्ट्रक्शन के साथ आप ये व्यवहार करना है. उस इंस्ट्रक्शन में क्या लिखा था? 5th पर्सन को प्लांट बी को 20 कट करके मारना है, प्लांट बी को. तो प्लांट ए प्लांट बी को रखा 10 दिन तक. वो दोनों फ्रेंड्स हो चुके हैं, प्लांट ए और प्लांट बी. बाद में नंबर 1 पर्सन आया, उधर खड़ा हुआ और चला गया. नंबर 2, नंबर 3, 5वां पर्सन आया, प्लांट बी को ले एक नाइफ लिया और उसको कट किया, पीस किया, उसको मार दीजिए. The moment it died, plant A was seen. Then what they did was, they put a lie detector machine. Lie detector means if you commit any crime, the police will put that lie detector. If you tell lies means there will be fluctuations. The emotional fluctuations was there. So they put that to the plant A. बाद में the first person came, there was no changes. Second person came. The moment the 5th person came, suddenly that plant started to have the fear, anger, everything started to come out with the emotions. Suddenly there was fluctuation. They were able to analyze that this plant knows everything, that this person killed plant B. This was the major discovery. So in naturopathy, whenever you are giving, it is related to plants, it is related to water. For everything there is a life. When I was a small kid, there was a doctor. His name was Dr. Gopal Krishna. Whenever he used to give medicine, he used to chant Rama, 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 and he used to give. I had jaundice, it was cured. My sister had typhoid, it was cured by the same doctor. My brother faced with malaria, it was cured, and he was not a qualified doctor. The power was with the heart and the जप का power था. क्यों हुआ? इसलिए कि आज डिस्कवर हुआ है Each and everything is having the energy and the light is available. One more video, kindly check it up. Dr. Masaru Emoto. You might have heard. They will be aware. Dr. Masaru Emoto. In this experiment, two things was considered. One is rice experiment or a water experiment. I'll just tell about the water experiment. They took a water bottle and they kept in the jail of hardcore criminals. The hardcore criminals होते हैं ना, उधर पानी के बॉटल रख दिया. 21 दिन के बाद उस पानी को लेकर माइक्रोस्कोप पर डीप से देखा तो वो पॉइजन हो चुका था. ब्लैक कलर और येलोइश वो पॉइजन हो चुका था. बाय चांस ऑफ पानी आप कंज्यूम किया तो अंदर जाके वो पॉइजन हो जाएगा. बट देखने के लिए बिस्लरी मिनरल वाटर ही था. उसी वाटर को लेकर और ज़ेन मेडिटेशन करते हैं ना, उनके पास रख दीजिए. देखिए, there after 21 days, the same water when they went to the microscope, they saw it was a shocking thing. They were able to trace the crystals in the form of chakras, what we call as Sri chakra, different chakras, powerful crystal, energy was formed. If you drink that one means it was just like amrit. The water was changed because of the energy which was emitted from the body. Same thing we are doing, our scientists. Whenever there is any disease, we'll say that go to Tirtha Kshetra. If you go to the temples, consume the Tirtha, your disease will be cured. To the unfortunate, we call it as placebo effect and nocebo effect. It is not called placebo effect, it is the power which is there within us. And you prepare the dish in your house also, you will have the food in the hotel also. But when you go to the temple, the taste is more good than compared to the house prepared or in the hotel. Yes or no? The positive energy which emits through mantras or the bell or whatever it may be, that will be converted as a medicine. So in natural, what you will say? The food has to be consumed as a medicine. Friends, here, if we live the lifestyle what our Rishi Munis or the real scientists have disclosed, then you can be free from the disease. At the same time, we can attract whatever we want in our life. Live example I'll give and I'll just wind up. Now, Jai Prakash Agarwal ji, he had a vision, passion related to naturopathy. I met him only once. It was in the 2012 conference. Because of his burning passion, today it has gone to this level. He never went beyond awards. Recently he got award Padma Shri. He never went beyond awards and he did not started this movement because of the award. The start of the Ayush Ministry, whatever the thing is having the power, control of the INO in the Ayush, is basically because of the power of the intention with which he had those days. The same thing, the secret what he was telling was, it was emitted and it happened. This happened because when there was an unconditional love, this will happen. What we should have? हमारे पास unconditional love चाहिए naturopathy को. Unconditional love चाहिए उस पेशेंट को अच्छा होने को. Unconditional love चाहिए आयनों के ऊपर. अभी क्या हो रहा है? ये वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बात है. जब भी मैं आयनों के मेंबर को कुछ बताता हूँ, वो पूछते हैं आयनों से मुझको क्या मिलेगा? The moment they पूछते हैं, उनको नेचर भी कुछ नहीं देगा. अभी let us see, Vishwamitra created one more world, and after the marriage in our South India will show that planet of Vasishtha and his wife. they never asked, they never begged anything for the Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara or any god. They did everything, yaga, homa, japa, tap, and they gave that power to Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara. They gave all the powers to gods. They gave the power to the nature. They gave everything to the humanity. So that's why the Saptarishis are there and we are here. What INO gives to me, forget about it. What we are giving for INO and INO, what they are doing. Why they should spend so much of money, so much of time, infrastructure, everything? Because of the passion for the love and affection unconditionally to the humanity. If, I'm telling you, the secret is, आप unconditional love naturopathy में और INO में और ह्यूमैनिटी में रखेंगे तो आपका बिजनेस 100% डेवलप होगा, कमर्शियली आप हो जाएगा. Now I will ask you one question. Who is our first Prime Minister? Second? Third? Fourth? The highest power is the President and Prime Minister. We don't know who are the one two. Now we know who is the Prime Minister. We don't know who are the presidents or Prime Minister. Because they focused on the post. Listen carefully. Scientifically I'm telling you. But there is one person who had unconditional love for the humanity, for the country. He sacrificed everything. And if you wanted, he could have become a Prime Minister or President. He said no. And that person, photo is available in our currency. Who is that person? Unconditional love is there. That's the reason he is there. Till the earth is there, he will be there. You go back to the history. Starting from Rama and Krishna. Krishna belongs to which kingdom? He was king of which kingdom? Dwarka. He was the king. Unfortunately, he was not a king. Hanumanta, was he a king? He is a Sevaka, Dasa. There was a war between Rama and Hanuman for some reason. And Rama was unable to do anything for Hanuman, and Hanuman defeated Rama. That is the power of unconditional love. Even today, Hanuman is alive. From there to, if you come to Shirdi Sai Baba, he never wanted anything. In Karnataka, Basavana, Jesus Christ. The reason why I am telling this because the moment you focus for INO, unconditional, I am telling you, and for naturopathy, if you dedicate yourself, your organization will develop naturally because the nature will be working for you. If you work for him, he will work for you. Yes or no?
Yes.
This is the secret. Just think about your father, his name. How do you know your father's name? Your grandfather's name? आपका वंश का उनका फादर, ग्रेट ग्रैंडफादर मालूम है? किस को मालूम है? हाँ, गुड. उनका फादर, उनका फादर, गुड. उनका फादर, ओ माय गॉड, उनका फादर, उनका फादर कौन था? गुड. फर्स्ट वन. वही यू रिमेम्बर इस नेम. उनका नाम अभी तक क्यों याद है आपको? इसलिए क्या है, कैसे मालूम है आपको? वो फैमिली पे कैसे है आपके पास? वो क्या किया था? उनका अचीवमेंट क्या था? आपका पूर्वज पहला उनका अचीवमेंट क्या था?
दुश्मन था, वो अपने संस्कार के प्रति सचेत थे, अपने यहाँ के लोग त्योहार में पंडितों को रोटी का काम करते रहते हैं।
ओके,
और माँ कामाख्या धाम में उनकी हम लोग पुजारी हैं, वहाँ तो उनका मूर्ति भी है।
विग्रह ऑफ अपराध उन्होंने समाज को कुछ किया है, इसलिए उनका नाम है। मेरा ग्रैंडफादर का नाम पता है, उसका फादर का नाम मुझको पता नहीं है, आपको को भी पता नहीं है, क्योंकि उन्होंने सिर्फ उनका बीबी का, उनका माता पिता का देखा। अभी हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हमारा फोकस सिर्फ मेरा जो फैमिली, मेरा माता पिता, हम ऐसे हम फोकस कर रहे हैं। मेरा फादर he passed away in the year 2002. मेरा फादर, when he passed away, I was shocked because that was my first death which I saw. I did not saw my grandparents' death. Literally I cried. 1 year, daily I used to go to the photo, pray and put the mala. 1 year, 2002 to 2003. After that, my mother told daily why to put one ara, put one flower in the center. From 2003, daily we used to do puja and put one flower in the center. It happened for another 2-3 years. Then with our busy schedule, yearly once during the Paksha time, we put the flower. Remaining time, there will be only plastic flowers. After my death, my father photo not be there. True, but हम वर्शिप करते हैं, जिसे दूसरे वंश का फोटो लगा के रोज हम वर्शिप करते हैं। सूर्य वंश का श्री रामचंद्र का, चंद्र वंश का कृष्ण का, शिरडी साई बाबा, किसके वंश पता है, राघवेंद्र सब, they work for the nature, nature is working for them and we are all part of the nature. Friends, अब टाइम अभी आए, आज के दिन से, अभी इसी क्षण से आप सभी लोग नेचर के लिए काम कीजिए। हमारा सौभाग्य है, बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग प्लेटफॉर्म है आईएनओ का, वो भी अनकंडीशनल कर रहे हैं, हम भी अनकंडीशनल, दोनों मिलके किए तो ऑटोमेटिकली टिल दैट हिस्ट्री क्रिएट किया तो सिर्फ एक आदमी ने मास नहीं किया है, हम सभी लोग मिल चुके तो हम हिस्ट्री कर सकते हैं, नहीं कर सकते? श्योर, बोलो भारत माता की। So take this opportunity for giving this platform and let us convert our weakness into strength and threat into opportunity, and let us work to see to that we will not sleep for another 4 hours also. He works for 20 hours. We will give more pressure to Anand Biradarji to work more for ILO and work more for naturopathy. And by saying this, I thank each and everyone for giving that.